Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to print a receipt. Either at the patient's own expense or through the medical aid, a receipt can be issued as proof of payment. The receipt will display important information such as the total amount allocated, the type of payment method used, and the debtor's details. Let us go over how to print a receipt. From the diary screen, click on the desired patient's booking. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the Account Details button to open the Account Details screen. For an extensive explanation regarding the Account Details screen, please refer to the Account Details Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Receipts sub-tab to view a list of all previously captured receipts for the selected debtor. For more information regarding receipts, please refer to the Receipt user manual linked in this video's description. In order to print the desired receipt, click on the Download button that correlates to the receipt that the user would like to print. The receipt will download as a PDF file. To view the PDF, click on the downloaded file. The PDF will open. If the user would like a hard copy version of the receipt, click on the printer icon. Please note that the PDF viewer screen may differ depending on the software on the user's device. A print preview screen will open where the user is able to change the various print settings, such as choosing the desired printer, changing the page orientation, or the amount of copies to be printed. If the user would not like to proceed with printing the receipt, click on the Cancel button. Once the desired settings have been changed, the user can finalize the printing process by clicking on the Print button.